Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. This is Sofa and today we're gonna have an interesting review on a book which any collector who just started or is already advanced and collects Soviet awards and medals shouldn't miss. We are talking about Andrew Reznik's Soviet orders and medals from 1918 to 1991. Just gonna put my pieces from the collection on the side, and I would just like to introduce to the book itself. So it's a complete hardcover book. Very interesting layout. Very interesting design on the top. I will switch to first page because it's signed, and we're gonna go right into the book. So basically, the book is divided into awards, medals, and additional information. Very interesting thing is that the paper is very nice. The prints are also very clear. And another interesting thing is that when Andrew, published, well, not published, when he released the book, the idea was that every award, so if you're looking for an award, you can actually look into the corner and you will see the award itself in the corner. That's pretty amazing, a miniature of the award itself. Now let's go into the book itself. So you can see here it's quite interestingly done. So you have all the variations of the awards. Then very interestingly is that if you go, for example, let's go to the red stars. Basically you have here some information. When you go through, you will see the different type of variations he's talking about, and yeah, it's a must-have for any collector. And people were asking me, well, for any collector who is collecting Soviet awards, that's what I want to say. I had people asking me like where to start when you just start to collect Soviet awards, what to watch out, and so on. That's a big thing that currently collecting Soviet awards is a very big minefield. So you have, first of all, a lot of pieces which are um, counterfeited. So very nice pieces which are redone. So basically, they take sometimes change the. For example, here you have the oval part here. So basically, they have a new award, and then they replace it with the front of an older award, erase the number on the backside. So there's a lot of things to watch out for. And the first thing when you start anything to collect, the basic thing is that I generally recommend everybody is find yourself a good group, for example, in Facebook or any other Militaria forums. There's quite a lot of nice forums. Build up a community or join a community which is actually experienced, and just listen, ask questions, and so on. And of course, literature, books. This is a must have. I mean, like, before you invest into some kind of awards, make sure to buy good books. And for anybody who just started to collect, and for the advanced ones, this is the book to go with, because it's it includes most of the information which is required to encounter fakes and so on, and plus it gives you an overview on Soviet awards itself. So, and let's like go through the awards here. So that's quite interesting here. He also a very interesting thing is that the motherhood or maternity model that Andrew actually added also a page uh, with the variations of the suspensions. So it's pretty interesting. But it's it. I mean, like, I could talk hours about this book, but there's some people who have different opinions about it and so on. But again, this is my personal opinion. I really like this book and I highly recommend it. So basically, if you're going through it and you hold it in your hands, I mean, like, you have here a very solid um, um, source of information about Soviet awards. So he included not only battle awards, or he also included labor awards, etc. Quite interestingly is that there's a medal which is widely common, so a veteran labor medal, and it has so many different variations you can actually take a look into. There's like pieces of the how to say array missing, some pieces are not. It's just like just going through this book. It's worth it. I love it. I have it, and I'm very glad that I received it and purchased it from Andrew. And as mentioned before, I will leave also in the comment section a link to his page, so you can actually talk to him and ask for it. And yeah, I mean, like, go for it. That's my opinion, and it's a good investment when you start to collect Soviet awards. So I hope you enjoyed this very short review, but I think we can talk hours about the book itself. But I'm here just to show how the book looks like, what it actually contains, and is it worth to purchase it? Yes, I definitely recommend it. So don't forget to like this video, leave a comment. Yeah, and thank you all for your support. So wish you all a great evening, afternoon, morning, wherever you are. Bye.